Hey guys, I want to make a quick video again. It's been a week since I made the video about everything that's like wrong with the E36 right now. I've actually fixed a few things. I had the seats re-dyed, thanks to my friends at Guchon Imports for helping with that. Right here, the side skirt, the little gasket or whatever it is, the little rubber strip, I ended up replacing that, but in the process I broke one of like the retaining clips behind the side skirt, so I have to buy one of those from BMW. What else? Yeah, let's go over the seats. Right here, the little door card piece, there is a slight run right there, but I'm gonna have them go over that again. Right here there was some wear on the armrest. We removed we removed the front seats and the rear seats and vacuumed under everything, scrubbed the carpets, cleaned them, basically everything that we could possibly do. The rear seat still needs to be dyed. We're gonna do that seat soon. Everything is much cleaner. And if you'll notice, I have rear headrests now. I did not have those before. Mostly because when I first bought the car, I thought they were unnecessary and I just threw them away. Took them out of the car immediately. I kept them in storage for a few months, but then when I moved to Salt Lake City, I decided I didn't need them and just let them go. So yeah, but you know, on the front seats, there is quite a bit of wear that's covered up by the dye. There's a big crease right here. Right here, they patched this hole. So instead of replacing the bolster, I'm not exactly sure what they used. Right here was pretty bad too. They ended up covering up all this, and they just sprayed dye over it. We ended up cleaning like all the plastic components and everything, but the seat dyed looks a lot newer than it did. If you're gonna keep your car long term, I would say just reupholster the seats. I did this just to see how it would come out, and it does make the seat look much better, but it's not even close to being anywhere like new or anything. But that's what you get with dye. It makes it look newer for a short period of time. The passenger side. The only things that I'm like super concerned about replacing right now would be the door seals. On the passenger side seat, back in December, I made a video about replacing the reclining gear in these seats, the one that makes the back of the seat go front and back. As soon as I replaced that in the passenger seat, I didn't even use the seat after that. Like, nobody sat in it or anything, and the forward to backward motor on the bottom went out. Guchon had a spare motor and helped me replace that. Yeah, they helped replace it. So basically we brought the seat all the way up, and then there's two bolts here on the side for the sliding, and there's two bolts on the other side. You pull those out of each side, and then you can slide the seat forward, and then you're able to unbolt the rears, because I always have the seats all the way back, and that's how easy that was. The passenger seat looks phenomenal after having been dyed. No complaints there. Yeah. Oh yeah. One pretty cool thing would be the light up M badge in the gauge cluster. That's new. Before, the M badge did not light up. Now it does, but it's sort of amber. I tried to replace that bulb, like, rather than having an amber one, I tried to replace it with an LED bulb from superbrightleds.com. I took the cluster out, put the bulb in quite a few times, and I couldn't get it to work correctly. So I've given up on that. It's just gonna be an amber M light. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any tips or like anything that I should look into too, let me know. See you guys later.